Hi there. So here I am with an update that J6 Sigma is live and kicking and you can start enrolling for the course. And now I have this opportunity to share a few things with you. So first is that why I chose the course that I just started creating, the first thing, right? Because you know what, actually I was getting a lot of emails, and to be very honest, I just got in with the right stats, and 78.6 candidates are the emails I received were from the candidates who actually wanted to start learning Lean and Six Sigma, right? Or they were from the people who actually wanted to start implementing it in their business. So I thought that this is my priority, I should go with that. And second thing is that now is the right time that we should introduce Gen X so that they should have the clear concepts of quality, because they are starting to build up their own startups, their own businesses, and if they're coming for the jobs, so they should be ready, you know, they should know what quality actually means, what the market demands are, so they should be very clear about those concepts. And even the business owners, I want to tell you that now is the time that each and every employee of yours should be introduced to quality concepts, and this is the perfect course for them, right? So if I have just named it white belt, but to be very honest, it's not that small a course. If you just go on the website, check the syllabus, you would know that how much hard work I have put in to bring up this course, because it has lots and lots of knowledge so that a person can just start the course and then they can move on to any level. Fine. So this is how I have developed this course. Second, when I was just checking, like I was receiving so many emails and I was just like, I thought that where is the gap, because many companies are giving these white belts and yellow belt courses. So I just did my kind of some sort of research, and I went to various platforms, and to be very honest, I was quite disappointed by the content that was being served. It was not at all made from the perspective of the candidates or the learners. So it was hardly 3 or 4 hours of content, most of it PPTs or the reading through screen sharing or screencasts. So it was like filling up a gap, you know, that okay, we have this white and yellow belt, but what kind of knowledge, what kind of purpose, actually who are the people who want to learn? I didn't think that they just had that in perspective. I don't want to offend anyone, but actually yes, those courses were the gap. That's why I was receiving so many requests, you know. And third thing is that when it came to the time, my course is above 20 hours. So this is something which nobody would have ever thought of for a white belt course. But since I told you, I didn't think it like at a white belt course. I thought that I have to give knowledge to the candidates, to the students who have just shown their trust in me, right? So the time I had to invest, the time, obviously if it's 20 hours course, so I had to invest a lot of time. But I had to do it for two very basic reasons. One, I cannot compromise with the quality of content. I know that I can't do it. And then the quality of teaching. I want my students to have best of knowledge. So I just wanted that they should understand the Lean Six Sigma in such a great way that they can go into any sectors. It's service, it's manufacturing. They have such a beautiful understanding of these concepts, so that they can glide through any processes. They should understand what is going around them, and they can also harvest the low hanging fruits. That is the basic minor issues here and there, they can fix it on their own. So they should be an asset wherever they go. If they are just starting their own business, so it would obviously, this course would be an asset for them. They won't make the mistakes which maybe the previous entrepreneurs made, right? And plus, even if they go for jobs, they are looking for jobs, so this is the best course, because I have just put in every kind of detail that is required. And I am again and again saying that just go to j6sigma.com, check the detailed syllabus, and you will come to know that I haven't left any stone unturned, that what kind of topics should be put in. I have just thought about everything, each and every single thing, because when I just teach, I just keep one thing in mind, that if I have to teach a mathematical formula to a young kid, or maybe to class 9 or 10 students, so exactly what I need to tell them is that what this formula is all about, where you can use it, how you can use it, what is the purpose of it. And then once they understand it, give them any kind of problem, how, no matter how twisted it is, they will just solve it, right? So this is my way of teaching. So this is how I have created my course. And one thing I guarantee is that once you go through this course, you will have much higher knowledge than the ordinary green belt courses available online, right? And plus, after you just go through this complete course, you take an online exam, you will be a certified professional. So I assure you that just enroll for this course, you will have the best understanding of Lean Six Sigma, like what is required, right? You know, because when people sometimes they don't know that they can't directly go in for green belts or black belts, and they just ask me, can we start with green belt or black belt? I feel that they should know this, that they can't do it until and unless they have a basic understanding. They need to work on the projects, only then they can get green belts and black belts, fine? So this course will make you eligible for all those courses, so that you have, because I have covered all the basic topics, everything you need to know, everything you need to know to understand the place you're working, to understand what is going around you, what are the processes and how you have to deal with them, fine? And last thing is that I assure you that if you are like a management student, an engineering student, you're a business owner, so this is the right course for you. Just start your lean journey with me.